If you actually mine this particular airdrop, which is called dogs, you are going to actually withdraw your money to Bybit. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in very simple way. So as you can see, this is the particular airdrop that all of us mined recently. So for you to withdraw your money, you have to click on this deposit to a changer. So this is the option that is available. So you are going to choose a changer instead of withdraw to Telegram wallet. So click on a changer, then click on continue over here. As you can see, we have two options. We have OKS and we have Bybit. So I will not recommend OKS because OKS is not actually available in Nigeria. So we are going to choose Bybit for this particular transaction. Click on Bybit, then click on send over here. As you can see, they said, do you have Bybit account? Obviously, if you have Bybit account, you are going to click on yes. And if you don't have, I'm going to drop the link for you to sign up for Bybit inside the video description. So you are going to click on I have account. I assume that you already have account. So as you can see, you are going to need three important things, which is the Bybit UID account. You are going to need your Doge deposit address and memo. So let me show you exactly how I can get these important things. So you're going to come over to your Bybit account. So as you can see, this is the home page of Bybit. So I'm going to refresh it. So you are going to click on this your icon, like profile icon. Click on your profile icon. As you can see, we have UID. You are going to copy this UID number, copy, then come over to your Doge wallet. So I'm going to actually paste it over here, paste this particular number over here. So the next thing we have to get is our Doge deposit address. So for you to get your Doge deposit address, come over to your Bybit account or so again, and you are going to click on this asset option. Click on asset option over here, and you are going to click on deposit. Click on deposit, then you are going to click on deposit crypto. Click on deposit crypto, and you are going to find dogs from the option. No, you are going to search for dogs from the option dogs. So then search. So as you can see, we have a dog from the option. Click on it. So you are going to choose Ton as your transferring network. Click on Ton. Then there we go. So we have Ton. There we go. So we are going to copy this particular long wallet address. Copy this long wallet address. Come over to them. Actually, you are going to paste it over here. Paste it over here. So the next thing that is very, very important is this tag. This tag is very, very important. So you are going to copy your tag, then come over again to your wallet. Then you are going to actually paste the memo. So this is the memo. You are going to paste it. So I think we are good to go. So the next thing is to actually send this particular payment. So I'm going to click on send, since I've actually pasted everything that I need, which is the UID, Bybit UID, and also the wallet and also the memo. So I'm going to click on send. As you can see, you have to make sure you confirm the details. So once again, let me confirm the details. So the UID number is actually correct, and also the wallet is correct, and also the memo is 100% correct. So the next thing you have to do is to confirm this particular transaction. So as you can see, deposit in progress. So we have to wait for August 20 for them to actually deposit this particular airdrop to my Bybit account for me to convert it to Naira. So if you actually want to learn how to do the conversion, ensure you subscribe so that I'll be able to see the next video that I'm going to publish on this YouTube channel. Thanks.